So, good morning to all of you. So, we are now in the midst of bank audit really. Because last almost 1 month, we are wondering what is going to happen. But still, about 2-3 weeks back, almost 2 weeks, 1 week back, I decided, okay, let me at least try and do something about it. That's when I started. I have been working on it, but I was thinking, let me wait for a moment like this when we can, you know, get to know what the branch is coming, not coming. At least we'll know what is happening. Therefore, I was just waiting for that. Then I finally decided if it comes, not comes, let me at least proceed with that. Because if I don't do it, then what happens is you will not be, it will be too much like sleep. Yesterday we had now rushing. This much you know. And fortunately, I've prepared quite a few things. I was intending to put more in through Zoom meetings, but then I thought I'll do it like this. Others can also connect. Okay. So, what is the thing that we are planning to do? Just to discuss with you. Please have a look at it. This is the agenda. Contents of file and audit management. Contents of the file. But how to arrange the file? Because I'm just taking what is there in our file. So that you should know the basic content. Then general idea about reporting. What are the reporting that we are going to do? Because yesterday we got some letters from them. So exactly what we are going to do, we know. That is what I am planning to do. Then that is the certificates to be done to the IOB list. Then LFAR. These are the general things. Then we will go into how to use the data. So also I'll just show some work I had done. So those things I wanted to do in more detail, but it is still pending. And that's why each day I feel that we have not done anything in the earlier days. We could have done better. Therefore, at least I don't expect everything we can do now, but at least a good way to look forward that we can increase our knowledge and do a lot of better work. In fact, yesterday they called and said, "Are you interested to do, online auditing?" That's the way things they are thinking because of COVID. Probably not thought about. So they made arrangements. Even now, when I have accessed everything, there was through a tool and things like that. Okay, so let us look at first the contents. This is how the contents has to be prepared. This is for Rani branch. Somebody has prepared. This is the content. If you look at the file that we are doing, the contents are like this: appointment letter, audit program, representation letter, timesheet, branch overview and analysis. All the required things, please keep it ready before you go. Okay, you can look at the file, Excel file, some of them may be there. You can take it. Audit reports, LFAR, YSA, P&L, CCDP. These are mainly all the ones which we write. Representative letter also we have to keep it ready. So think we can do it today. Other reports and certificates, subvention certificates is going to take more time for us. Again, don't do the way we have done last time. See whether data can be received and using Excel we can check the data. Other certificates. So everywhere you see that page number is given, then workings. Page number is given. What it means is that we have numbered the entire thing. Maybe in the last year, this file, I don't know, I'm not able to see last year's file, but all the numbers are given there. So we can take a box file also, so that we can arrange it in the box file as and when we are getting. Later on, we can rearrange it. But primarily, we look at the way we structure it. The numbers you can change, but the structure we can maintain. So the file will be with flaps, you can do it. That is as far as the contents are concerned. Next, what I want to show is the audit program. Again, this will help to understand more or less the content that we are talking about. So balance sheet analysis, don't look at the name, we'll rearrange it, whoever is going to do. Seniors will do branch profit and loss account, LFAR again seniors will do. Other things that some of the things the juniors can do. That's how again sometimes it may not be happening. We'll try to do like that. Or according to the situation, we try to divide it. All these are also needs to be arranged before you go. Today itself, if you arrange it, who's going to do what, they will be giving a better clarity on what we are going to do. See here, this branch, unfortunately, everything Nabil had done alone. We had to do last time because it's very far. It's quite far. that is why he had to go on his own, stay there, and do it on his own. Anyway, there are a lot of stories around this, so we will not get into that. Loan document, is it last year or the previous year? Last year. So then CCDP overall tallying and all that. This is as far as audit program. So please make sure that the work is divided today. Will I do it? സംഭവം സമയത്തിന്റെ ഇത് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാം. അപ്പൊ അതിലെ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇന്ന് നാളെ നമ്മൾ പോകുമ്പോൾ സാബിർ ആൻഡ് ഡൂട്ടു go to the Vettur branch. Okay, and vehicle get the so ഇതിന്റെ that പോകുന്ന അവിടെ പോയിട്ട് we go there because I may have to come, so you have to take care. I may have to come in between. Already she's nervous. Take care means because no vehicle will be coming. So what we need to do is that's why I put you two there. Because Sabir is there, he will be there sometime. But my target is that we finish Vettur on Monday. Tuesday we'll finish Hattingen. And then Thursday we'll finish Hawaii. This is the start time planning. So that these are why Vettur I'm telling. Vettur is a very simple bar. Also 32 lakhs something, 28, 27 lakhs is gold loan. So hardly that's my